Welcome to Finovate. Today we'll explore 7 passive income ideas that actually work in 2025. Passive income is about building systems that generate money while you sleep. Stay until the end, because I'll share a bonus tip that can accelerate your journey. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to start earning online. You promote products or services through links, and every time someone buys, you earn a commission. The advantage is scalability. One video or blog post can generate sales for years. The challenge is competition, so you need to choose niches like finance, technology, or health where payouts are higher. For example, promoting a financial app can bring recurring commissions every single month. It's low cost to start, and with consistency, it can become a reliable income stream. Digital products are powerful because they don't require shipping or inventory. Once uploaded, they can sell automatically. Examples include ebooks, templates, or online courses. Think about guides like How to Save $10,000 in 1 Year, or Beginner's Guide to Investing. Platforms like Gumroad or Udemy make it simple to start. The upfront work is bigger, but the long-term payoff is huge because one product can sell thousands of times. The risk is minimal, and the potential is unlimited. Dividend stocks. Investing in companies that pay dividends is a classic passive income strategy. Every quarter, you receive a portion of the company's profits. It's not instant wealth, but over time, reinvesting dividends can grow your portfolio significantly. For example, companies like Coca-Cola or Microsoft have paid dividends for decades. The advantage is stability, but the downside is that you need capital to start. Still, it's one of the safest ways to build passive income while growing wealth. Print on demand lets you design t-shirts, mugs, or posters, and platforms handle production and shipping. You don't need inventory, and you only earn when a customer buys. This is perfect for creative people who want to monetize designs. Imagine a motivational finance quote on a mug. People love that kind of product. The advantage is low risk. You don't spend money up front, and you can test multiple designs quickly. The challenge is marketing. You need to drive traffic to your store. YouTube automation and faceless channels like this one can generate ad revenue, affiliate sales, and sponsorships. You don't need to show your face, just provide valuable content. Consistency is key. Posting 3 to 5 videos per week builds momentum fast. The longer people stay, the more revenue you generate. This is one of the most powerful passive income streams in 2025, because YouTube rewards watch time and engagement. The challenge is patience. It takes months to grow, but once monetized, the income can be significant. Real estate crowdfunding. Instead of buying a property, you invest small amounts in projects through platforms. This way, you earn passive rental income or profit shares without owning a house. It's a great way to diversify your investments with less risk. For example, $500 invested in a project can generate monthly returns. The advantage is accessibility, but the downside is that returns depend on the success of the project. Still, it's a smart way to get exposure to real estate without huge capital. AI tools for productivity. In 2025, AI is everywhere. You can use AI platforms to automate tasks like content creation, customer support, or even financial analysis. Then, sell these services or use them to scale your business. Low effort, high scalability, that's the power of AI-driven passive income. The earlier you adopt AI tools, the bigger your advantage in the market. The challenge is learning how to use them effectively, but once mastered, they can save hours of work and generate consistent income. These 7 ideas can help you build wealth in 2025. Passive income is not about luck, it's about building systems that work for you over time. Which one will you try first? Share your thoughts below. Down finger. Don't forget to subscribe to Finovate for weekly videos on finance, investing, and passive income. And here's the bonus tip: combine 2 or 3 of these strategies to maximize results. That's how you accelerate your journey to financial freedom.